we're here at the Flats at Midtown in Mobile, Alabama. We're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and everything else Mobile has to offer. This community features some amazing amenities such as a pool and a playground. Today, we'll be looking at a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Come on in. When you enter, there's a space right off of the living room that's perfect for a desk or some storage. The living room leads right into the kitchen that features a pantry and a dining area. Right off of the living room, you'll find the first spacious bedroom that includes a closet. Right out in the hallway, there's a storage closet. And at the end of the hallway is the bathroom. And right next to that, there's another large bedroom with a closet. Going back outside, you'll find the leasing office, the laundry facilities, a pet park for all of your furry friends, a playground, and a large swimming pool with lots of seating. Click the link below to book your tour.